Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some most unique and amazing ideas of simple tassel wall hangings. You will see very attractive and beautiful designs made with different kinds of wool. Most of these designs are made with cotton wool, and you will see some soft wool designs in this video as well. All of these designs are unique and attractive and are having different other patterns in them as well. You will also see some designs with a little bit of macrame knot work, but most of these designs are just simple tassels having beads in them and are attached to the wooden branch in different lengths to make different styles and shapes like wavy style, or you will find triangular style in some of the designs. So different kinds of designing ideas are included in this video. You will see some designs of tassels having fringes attached on them as well. So you will also see some designs with tassel work and fringes both in one single wall hanging. So different kinds of ideas with different techniques are included in this video, which are all beginner friendly. Tassel making is very simple and anybody can make tassels in different lengths and sizes at home very easily with the help of wool. All you need is a specific length cardboard, or you can use your phone to make tassels as well. And you can just wrap the yarn around that cardboard or your cell phone, and then after wrapping yarn uh, many times, the length or width depends on the yarn. So you can just cut the yarn from one side, and on the upper side you can make a knot uh, with other yarn, and you can just make tassel with this way very easily. You can use different other things for embellishment purpose as well. Like you can see in most of these designs, wooden beads are used, and in a few of the designing ideas you will also see wooden beads along with different crystal beads or other colorful beads as well. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like these designing ideas, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel to get more videos like this. And after pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload any video you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So keep enjoying latest ideas. Thank you for watching.